Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, CULTURA ARTÍSTICA Eslovena. I'm your host, Víctoria Mohanna, from the Slovenian community in Argentina. And I'm making these interviews to be in touch with the Slovenian artists and let people from all over the world, but especially from the Slovenian community in Argentina, let know what's going on in the art world in Slovenia. So today I'm going to interview another artist. She is Nina Tomšič Polegek. She's also a painter, a creator, illustrator, and above all, an art researcher from Novo Mesto. Also works with tattoo sketches and realistic drawings and try painting muralisms. She's also a recreational athlete and a singer in mixed choir. She's an abstract painter, graduated from the School of Drawing and Painting in Ljubljana, and a master's student at the School of Drawing and Painting too. She participated in many exhibitions in her home city, like in 2020, Lost Between Colors in Novo Mesto, also in Lost Between Colors in 2021, and in 2022, she was at the Playing with Colors in Novo Mesto too. So let's have a chat with her. Hi, Nina. Welcome.
Hi.
Thank you for being here. And let's
No
talk
problem.
about a little bit about you and your work. So do you remember when you started wanting to be in the art world? So how did art become part of your life?
I don't know. I've been drawing and creating all the time, all since I was young. But doesn't anyone do that as a child? I don't know, or that was just me. But probably this is not the reason. I think the reason is because I was a lot alone when I was young, and probably with that reason, the art became a part of my life when I was young. Because I'm an only child, I don't have brothers, sisters, or cousins near me. Probably art was that thing to do all the time, all day long, really. And then just with studying art come this I think this become a part of my life, just day by day, year by year. I don't know.
It was something that took the main stage in your life, we can say.
No, I don't know. Probably just this, that we don't have a big family around me. So I think the artists are alone souls.
Yes.
My parents divorced, and I practically lived only with my mom. My mom was a lot in the mountains, a lot. She was climbing a lot. So I was all the time alone, and I like it. I really like it to be alone and creating and drawing all the time. So probably this is the main reason.
Okay. See, yes, art is like very introspective.
Yeah.
So who is your biggest inspiration at the time of painting and creating? Or what?
You mean like some famous painter or something like that?
Yes, or maybe music is an inspiration, or it could be
Yeah,
whatever.
I think it's like different stage of life. I have when I was writing diploma, there was some painters, abstract expressionists. I was reading all about them and watching their paintings. I was visiting museums in New York too.
Oh,
So I was this time was just artists and their art. I have special era when I was listening to classical music, just Chopin, Beethoven, or something like that. And then I was creating all the time around this music in my studio, just like I think different inspirations are for me. Probably music. Sometimes it's music, sometimes artists, or probably outside world. I'm a lot outside, mountains, climbing. I love camping. Maybe the colors of my paintings are because I'm a lot outside, blue and green. I don't know. I would say that.
Yeah, I could see that maybe the inspiration of your paintings were the mountains and all that, because I saw that you climb a lot, and
Yeah, a lot, yeah.
that's really
Maybe,
nice.
yeah.
You do that since you were a child, like climbing and being in the mountains?
Yes, my mom and dad do that from 80s probably. So I was born into a climbing family, yeah. But then I was, I don't know, 15 or I don't know. Yeah, my when I was a teenager, I didn't climb and I didn't go to mountains, you know. I was just
Oh,
with friends. Yeah, and now I'm climbing a lot in mountains. I don't know, 2 times per week, yeah,
oh, wow,
probably. Yeah, a lot.
it's really, really beautiful. It's like a way of meditation, no? Like
Yeah,
climbing, being
yeah,
in
it is.
nature.
It's a lot of time I don't have with me anything to create. In the mountains, I don't have a paper or canvas, but I all the time think about art. I don't know. I saw some in the city. I saw a building and I just watching why our windows like they are and something like that. I always look as an artist in the life. Yeah, so it's all the time thinking, yeah, and all the ideas for paintings came, I don't know, when I am swimming or climbing, when I don't creating or I'm not at studio. Yeah, amazing. Yeah,
Yeah, so good. So you're all the time thinking about what is going
yeah,
to be next.
yeah, yeah.
So what can,
Almost all the time.
well, you're really an artist. That's nothing we can refuse to.
Yeah, I saw that, yeah, last years, yeah, probably last few years is art is all the time with me. If I'm traveling, I for a week or two, and I don't create anything, I'm just like nervous. Oh my God, I need to go to the studio or something. Yeah,
So when you
it's fun.
travel, you don't
Yeah.
take a tiny book or a sketchbook, like
Yeah, a
to,
tiny book, yeah, a sketchbook, but that's not it. I
yeah,
don't like drawing is not my thing. It must be painting. I don't know. But just like I don't know, I don't need to paint a lot or a big canvas, but I just need to paint. Yeah. So if it's some option, I take a canvas with me, yeah. But if not, yeah.
really
It's
cool.
hard, yeah. Yeah.
It's beautiful. So tell me a little about the way you work, like the kind of materials you use, if you always use canvas or the
Yeah.
sizes.
Yeah, probably it's canvas or hard paper.
Okay.
Yeah. And acrylic colors, yeah. Not oil or something, but acrylic colors. Maybe some, I don't know. No, just that. Yeah. And I add different pieces of collage, probably a plastic paper or some magazine, or I just put it on, yeah. And buttons. I
Yeah.
really like to put buttons on paintings. Mm, yeah, but no, the mostly I do it everything on canvas, yeah. On big canvas if I can. Yeah.
Right. Yes, I saw that you put little pieces of text.
Yeah.
Do you
Yeah.
stick
Yeah.
them before, or you put it there with the acrylic? You
Acrylic. Yeah.
Yes. So you stick it with the acrylic, or you use a kind of glue?
Yeah, not with the
So
acrylic.
only with the acrylics. Oh,
Yeah, but
okay.
some people say that this would go, that this is not good, no? Acrylic in few years can fall off, but till now didn't, so probably.
I don't think so. So you put varnish at the end of the painting?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think they will come off.
No, me
No.
neither. I don't know.
Don't pay attention to them.
Yeah, if fall off, they will fall off. Yeah. It will be
So,
different painting
yes,
when the buttons fall off.
it will mutate.
Yeah.
So tell me, do you sketch these paintings before putting on the canvas?
No. Probably the sketch is painting before another painting. Like
Okay.
this new series of painting I'm making. I was started with first artwork, and then, oh wow, I would like to do another this way. So I just, yeah, probably I work from painting to painting, never sketches for a painting. Maybe sketch for a realistic portrait or something, but not for abstract painting. Yeah, never.
Oh, okay. And even with the palette, do you make like a selection of colors you will use and you try to mix before putting on the
Yeah,
canvas, or?
sometimes, but no.
Okay.
Most time, no. Yeah, but sometimes, but really not so often. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe
Great.
I'm an expressionist, probably. Yeah.
No, it's okay. Maybe there are expressionists that like think about what they're going to do and prepare stuff, but I don't think that it has anything to do. We all work differently. Or in my opinion, I don't sketch before or know what colors I'm going to use. It's like more what I feel at the moment. So I think
Yeah,
that you work kind of the same way.
yeah, yeah. I just start with some paint that I feel good at the moment. If this is blue, sometimes the most of the time it's blue or green, but now I have this arts area with sandy colors, with sand shades. So I feel all right, and I think I will make some more paintings in with these shades, and maybe then I will come back to blue and green.
Yes, I saw that is the Sahara collection, right?
Yeah, color
Yeah,
collection. Yeah,
I
was
really
just
liked it.
yeah, they all do.
It's like
The,
the layers of painting you use, like give us like a super delicate. I don't know, it's what I feel when I see them. But it's kind of really, it's like
yeah,
a gold color.
yeah, it's so interesting. It's to do with that color shades. I don't know. I never tried, but it's so, yeah. It looks like delicate and golden and really nice shades. I don't know. I don't know why. Because maybe I use much more water color. I just add much water than usually. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe,
Um,
maybe.
and, yeah, paint and water. Yeah, maybe
It looks like
much. I don't
maybe
know.
watercolor, right?
Yeah, maybe that's, yeah. It's really nice. Yeah, this Sahara, and people like it. Yeah, really do. Um,
Well, that's very important, that people like
mm,
what you're doing.
mm. But the first I need to enjoy when I do painting, and then
Of
other
course,
people. Yeah.
of course. So it's something that came up. It's not something you thought about it.
No, it was in May. I started a art commission in these colors. So this color just
Oh,
seemed like yeah, I don't know, and then just started new paintings in these shades. But it was really art commission, yeah,
Oh,
really big art commission, yeah, and then I just
you keep going on that.
continued. Yeah, yeah, I don't know why.
Okay,
Now is
cool.
the new collection.
Well, it was worth it as an inspiration.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was, no.
Okay. So, well, I'll ask you if you apply protection. Do you apply protection to all of your paintings?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Like you use
Just
spray?
acrylic varnish. Yeah, yeah, spray, varnish, acrylic, yeah.
Okay.
That nothing special. Mhm.
You put one layer or two layers, like cross layers?
Two layers,
Two layers.
yeah. One, and then I wait a little, I don't know, 15 minutes and another layer. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to know. Yeah. Let's see how
I
you
think
work.
it's good. I think it's good. Little varnish over, yeah.
Yeah, you put matte varnish, satin
Yeah,
matte.
of course, yeah, mate, yeah. Don't like shiny stuff.
Now I will change the whole piece.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not good an option.
not good, yeah.
So tell me a little about, do you want the viewers to get certain message from your work, or there isn't any intention there?
I think, yeah, about that. I think if you invest in a part of yourself in a work of art, it can be enough. I think it can be enough for painting itself, and even better when you create something from yourself, and then the viewer recognize something in this painting. That's something amazing. That's this feeling when someone sees your painting and said, "Oh my God, I can see, I don't know, a part of my life in this." No? And they ask me, "Wow, it's a tree." No, it's not a tree. I didn't paint it on purpose, but I don't know, the viewer sees a tree from his childhood or something. I don't know. And this is yeah, this is the message that paintings, I think, important message from a painting, that I do something from myself, and then the viewer sees your life in yours and his life in painting. That's amazing.
Yes, it
Um,
is. It is.
yeah, but I no, the message, I never paint like that, something with sad through a painting, something special or political. No, no,
Okay.
yeah, no.
Oh, it's okay. So yeah, it is amazing when people see something of their own in the paintings.
Yeah,
And
a lot
being,
in the
yeah,
paintings. That it's often, yeah, that people see something and just they're just, oh my God, amazed. They saw something that they connect with their lives. Yeah, that's
yeah,
really really good feeling for me. I don't know for them, but for me it's amazing. Yeah, yeah,
yeah, it must be gratifying,
yeah.
and it is really nice to can communicate with the viewers, to have
Yeah,
the
yeah.
chance to talk to them.
Yes, yeah, yeah. I never did, yeah, make the art the to say something. I just create. That was when I was a child, a teenager, or now. I just create because I like to create, and just learning about art alone, reading, going to exhibitions, really just creating, because this is really nice. I can't understand people that never, when they stop going to school, they never write, or I don't know, write something down, or make, I don't know, notes, or some just a little painting or a drawing. They just stop creating with pens. They just use the
Yes.
telephones or computers, and that's all.
I completely agree.
Yeah,
It's like
I can't understand that people. But you don't have a paper at home, or I don't know, scissors or crayons, or
I don't know,
it's
maybe
so silly.
maybe they don't have that necessity.
Yeah,
I feel like that I don't know, they are a little empty inside. Like you don't want to put some of your feelings into something. Like, don't you think anything?
yeah.
Right?
Or people they said, I'm bored. How can you be bored? Oh my God, I don't have time to create everything I have in my head.
I completely agree.
Time. Just give me money and I will create all day, all night.
Give me
No,
your
no, no.
time.
Yeah, give
Yeah.
me time and money and I will create all the time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm with you on that. I'm with you. It's
yeah.
crazy.
I
So
have so many ideas and so many, I don't know. Just I don't have a place for all those paintings. Yeah,
I don't know, we are all very different, it seems, but
yeah,
we
that's okay.
yeah, maybe everyone doesn't have that creational motivation.
Yeah.
I don't know what motivates them, but it's okay. So I saw one of your latest work called Sima Poidi Proč. What can you
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
me about the process of creation and how long
Yeah,
did it take you?
1 month, 1 whole month. Yeah, this that was made for extempore Ptuj. For I signed up for a competition with
Oh,
this painting. Yeah, and I spent the whole month, whole January creating. It's done on canvas. It's nothing special, but the way I worked was that I cut up old paintings. 20 old paintings I cut up and glue these strips, 1 centimeter thick strips on the canvas. Yeah. And I just chose 20 old paintings that I don't like, and I glued on canvas, and that's all. But it was a long process. Yeah. It was
okay.
like 1 month. Yeah. It was with this, what is this? The winter go away, how to say that? Kurentovanje. This, when we try to, it's like, I don't know, Halloween. The winter, it's
Okay.
the January, it's when these currents on Ptuj, they want to say the winter must go. It's some old tradition, and I
Festival
need to
you
do
made.
something. Yeah, it's a festival, yeah, every
Okay.
year, yeah, and you need to do something with that. And these guys, these currents, they have little these sticks on himself. So the painting has this little glue uh, strips, yeah,
Okay.
on, yeah.
Okay. Well, it was a relief that you had already painted that painting, so
Yeah,
you didn't
yeah,
have to paint and then cut it.
yeah,
It
yeah.
would take
That
you a lot of
no,
time.
that go, yeah, yeah. But this was really like a battle with the time, yeah, because it must be 2024 artwork from this year, but the I have time till 31, the last January, so I have time just 1 month. Yeah,
Oh,
I
okay.
couldn't. Yeah, yeah.
So you were with a
But
limited time.
I won the special prize from the jury. I was on 7th place from 150
Oh,
artists. Yeah,
very
yeah,
good.
yeah, yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
So you had
Just
a
something.
piece on your studio.
Yes, I have it. Yeah.
It was
Yeah,
very heavy,
they
right?
didn't. Yeah, yeah, it is. Yeah, and I hope that it would be sold, but they didn't sold it.
Oh,
Yeah, it was exhibited or 2 months in this city, but it's still
oh,
in my studio. Yeah, and it's heavy. Yeah, and big.
yes, I saw. I can imagine. Well, maybe you don't know. In some future,
Yeah,
maybe someone buys it.
maybe. Yeah, let's see. It's still
So,
waiting on the buyer.
so you receive people at your studio, or
Yeah,
it's just you?
no, it's just me. But if someone wants to come, just can come. Yeah, but
Oh,
I'm just, yeah, this is a studio. It's really my old room in my childhood house. Yeah,
oh, okay.
when my mom still lives there, so I have a small studio there. I don't have some rented place, yeah, because don't have money to some bigger studio, yeah, or to share. Probably it would be better to share with some artist, but I'm rather alone. Yeah,
Yeah, it's more comfortable.
yeah,
Well, it's good that you have a space at your mother's house.
yeah.
Uh,
That's really a relief. Yeah, it's really nice for artists, yeah, to start a path and career with that you have just some place, a little, but okay, just something,
yes,
yeah.
more if you don't have to think about paying any rent or
Yeah,
paying anything.
that's
It's
really nice. Yeah, yeah,
yes.
yeah. It's a relief. Yeah.
Well, talking about another thing that I saw about you, I thought that
Yeah.
you have a cat character that you print on
Yeah.
t-shirts. And
Yes.
I
Yes.
saw the illustrations that were for a calendar. I think
Yeah.
real pretty illustrations.
Yeah.
I really love
You mean
them.
this one?
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
like the phrases. I'm very funny.
Yeah. This year I started, yeah, printing t-shirts. But I'm not printing. I'm just created
Okay.
motifs and image of everything. Yeah. But I think, yeah, I you need to earn money with something, and I think the t-shirts are something that you can that people who would not buy paintings, they would buy t-shirt maybe. It's a stuff for big mm, for other people too. They people would buy t-shirt and they don't like art, but the t-shirt they would buy.
Yeah.
So it's some project in this way, yeah, to have that I have beside for just to easy to paint and yeah.
Yes,
But they're nice. But they're nice motifs, yeah. It's really nice illustrations, yeah.
yeah, they're really nice. I really like it.
Yeah.
Is inspired on your cat or no?
Cat? Yeah, no, I don't think so. No, it's just three figures
Oh, okay.
without eyes and just mouths. Yeah, and they have all the different characters. I don't know. I just made it in, I don't know, 2016 with
Oh,
some art, yeah, with some artist friend for calendars and bags and something like that. And now the t-shirts. Yeah, I think it's these illustrations are these realistic parts of my creation because I all the time I do with abstraction, and this is the only thing that I have to create something. They do something. I think it's the only realistic thing in my creativity. Yeah.
yeah, it's like it has life. and a
Yeah,
story,
yeah.
and
We
it's
do
in
something we do,
situations.
yeah, the story situations, yeah, like this, yeah, yeah. It's nice. It's nice to do it, yeah.
Yeah,
And people love it, yeah. People love it. I maybe someday it will be a successful brand. I don't know.
yeah,
Maybe.
maybe. Who
I'm
knows?
trying, yeah. I'm trying.
They're really nice t-shirts, and the drawings are really cool too. So
Really
why not?
simple drawing. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe.
And and it's a good way to, this you're saying, introduce the people that maybe won't buy a canvas
Thank you. No, yeah.
to
Yeah.
buy something that it's your art. It's not a canvas that they can
Yeah.
hang on the wall, but it's a t-shirt that also it will help you, because the t-shirt walks in the street, other people can
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
and it's
Yeah.
like it's marketing for you too.
In our small city, yeah, it's a lot of, I don't know, 300 probably now I saw in this
Ah,
half of year. It's like all the time I can see, yes, the t-shirts on the street in my small town. Yeah. It's
ah,
nice. Yeah. Yeah.
that's really cool. Well, I'm happy
Yeah.
for you.
Thank you.
It's really cool. So changing the subject, are you now exposing in any galleries?
No, no, no.
No.
No, at the moment, I just have my paintings at two hairdressing salons. I have two friends with a really nice salon, so I have paintings there, uh, and that's all.
Novo Mesto?
Yeah, in Novo Mesto, yeah. And in Krško, it's near Novo Mesto, yeah. That's all at the moment, yeah. But I'm trying, yeah. If I see some residence or something, I'm just um, try, trying to go on some this or but, yeah, it's not successful every apply it's like not a positive answer. Yeah,
Well, but you have to keep trying.
yeah, of course, yeah, of course.
Is it hard to get into a gallery to be represented?
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's hard in Novo Mesto, but in Ljubljana probably I would not come close, not even close. I don't know why. They have their artists, and you must be really good and probably academic painter too. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah. The Ljubljana, it would be good, yeah, but no, I don't think so. I'll just try here in Novo Mesto or somewhere else.
You never know. Maybe
Yeah,
maybe in other places with more audience, no? Bigger spaces.
maybe something came up, yeah. Or like this interview. It's really
Yeah.
nice, yeah. When you write to me, of course, I'm for everything like that. For every
Well,
propose. Yeah.
I was really happy when you said yes, because I really
Why?
wanted to interview you, because we are basically the same age, and I don't know, I was really interested in how you worked and how you create and how you see art. And I don't know, I do this because I think it is important, because I don't know, as I told you, I'm from the Slovenian community here in Argentina, and people here, it's like they live very in the past about what Slovenia is. So letting them know through art, because it's my area, what's going on nowadays,
Okay, yeah.
I think it's really important, for at least for the young people.
Yeah, okay.
So
I hope I told you enough. I don't know.
no, it was super great, all that you tell me, and your
Yeah,
English
so,
was super.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so complicated. You can expect something, I don't know, from my paintings. Now, some people thought that, oh my God, what do you have in your hat? Nothing. I don't know. I don't know how to say. I just saw in every stuff I see art. I don't know. In every form I can see as an, I don't know.
Yeah, your life is art.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
So you can't imagine a life without it.
No, no. Yeah.
It will be complicated.
Oh.
So tell me, Nina, is there a page where people can see and buy your art?
No, I just have a Facebook and Instagram. Yeah.
Well, that's enough. Okay.
But yeah, there they can ask me everything or mail me or yeah. Or maybe probably I will make some this internet page now, yeah. Because I need to have it for my master degree. In school they want to that you have your page, art page, yeah. So I will need to yeah, because probably it's important for the artist to have a portfolio and something about on the internet. So if someone writes your name, must be something. Yeah. But now I have the Facebook and Instagram. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's all.
Okay. So I let people know your pages. So the links will be in the description of the video, so they can be in touch with you. And you don't know, because people from here travel to Slovenia, and maybe someone likes what you do and can buy you something. Thank you, Nina, for the interview. It was a pleasure having you here and having this moment. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. The pleasure is mine.
Well, we keep in touch, and I send you a big kiss. So take care of yourself, and hope you see you soon.
You too. You too.
Bye.
Bye.